When it comes time to selling a property, many homeowners tend to overlook one critical area, the backyard. Tori here from ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers, or anyone for that matter, will find irresistible. Today's buyers are looking for outdoor areas to expand their living space. Highlighting a patio or deck can help buyers envision themselves enjoying the outdoors, from their morning coffee to dining al fresco with friends. Whether you have acres of property or only a terrace, it's important to set the scene and showcase the possibilities for potential buyers. Here's what you'll need to get started. Your home's exterior can accumulate a lot of dust, dirt, and grime. In order to make the exterior shine, pressure wash the siding, concrete, vinyl fences, decking, and any other surfaces that have lost their luster over time. Beware though, a pressure washer can be powerful enough to remove paint, so only use it on surfaces that can withstand the power. Check the owner manuals of the washer for more details. Cut back overgrown shrubs and remove any dead debris in your backyard. Frame out the exterior of your home with flower beds using colorful flowers, plants with varying heights, and mulch to create an extension of the property. Welcome buyers with colorful flowers or topiaries near the patio or deck to add some life to these structures. Try to have at least 2 matching planters on either side of the area to create one cohesive look. This is the final step when dressing up your backyard. Arrange the yard to set up areas for different uses. For example, you might set up a dining table to create an eating area, or have a quiet seating area to spark conversations. Remember to think of the traffic pattern around the patio furniture. If it seems cluttered, remove some of the pieces so there is enough room to walk around them. It's important to give yourself enough time to conquer these cleaning and landscaping tasks prior to an open house. This way, the day of the showing, you have minimal upkeep and can focus on any last-minute details like fluffing the throw pillows or setting out some refreshing lemonade. Happy selling!